Hello everyone, it's been a while, maybe a couple weeks since we've done a little tour. I have a couple of things to show you out here and then a quick update inside. So what I want to show you is I had one final surprise sunflower. There he is. And remember I showed you how the pumpkin vines started growing around the clematis. Well, look at this. It has wrapped itself around and around the clematis and just keeps putting out pumpkin flowers. So, and so if you're good in the kitchen and adventurous, ask Leon. He's got the how-to on how to cook pumpkin flowers. Apparently, he says they taste really good. So, something about deep frying them. So, just an FYI on that. And so, there's pumpkin 1, pumpkin 2. I'll probably be taking them off the vine pretty soon. And then right there, right, where's my finger? There's my finger. Kind of, where's my finger? There's my finger. So right there is a third one, but I don't think it's going to make it. I don't think there's enough time to make it a full-size pumpkin. So it's either going to have to, well, we'll see. If I'm really ingenious, maybe come up with something to add it to, you know, jack-o'-lantern or whatever. Flowers are showing their fallness. Since it did get chilly, pretty cold here, around freezing a couple nights around Labor Day. So glad they made it as much as they did. So back in the house. There they are. Excuse me, Daisy. And I'm partially set up for the creation of Sunday's video, or the start of, I should say. Oh, let Milo out. Ah, no bites. And then put you in the tripod. There he is. I'll let him out. Want to come out? Were you a good boy? You were. There you go. There. I get a lot more usually when he comes out, but he's camera shy. So, one thing I did was, this thing is the large version of the small one that used to be up there. I was digging for something else and I found that one and I thought, well, let's switch it out. It's sticks out a little bit more, but so far no one's complained about that. So, and he still does a lot of that. Lots and lots of Pretty Bird. When I said, and I said in an early video that that's his high, what I meant by that was high as in Max says high a gazillion times a day, and that's, so he says Pretty Bird a gazillion times a day. So that's what I meant by that. And his Pretty Bird isn't very clear. It's the intonation. And so he'll be Pretty Bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, and any combination of all that. So, but then he adds other things, like Hey Baby, and I get a lot, when I come home, usually I get Want Some Water, and What's the Matter, which sounds a lot alike, so I have to really listen to figure out which one he's saying. And then he repeats that a lot. And then once in a while he'll tell me good morning. Tells my father good morning a lot, but once in a while I get it. And it's really funny watching him say it because he puts a lot of effort into saying good morning. Puts his whole mouth into it. It's really hilarious. So if I ever get a chance, I'll have to video it. Yeah. We get that. We get fake coughs. And once in a while I hear, I hear him say something like, sounds like hot damn. So I can only imagine what was happening with his previous owner when he said all of that. So the other thing I wanted to show you. So lower, and that. So the last time we met here, I was talking about all my new toys that I bought the birds, and the perch that Kiki destroyed, and I showed you the ingredients for what I was going to do, and then I was going to do it after I stopped taping. And I did. So what you're seeing, there's my finger, right there, that's what I did. And took the entire length of the rope that I bought to do that. And so I've just let it sit there, and the last few days I have noticed RC standing on it. So I think it's a success. So yeah. So back up you go. Good. So, that's basically all I have. I have a question for everybody that I would love an answer. So, as you know, once in a while I do a faith song. And usually the ones I do are mostly unfamiliar to all of you. You like the song, but you've never heard of it before. My question is, do you want me to type up the lyrics to the song? And if you do you want them on screen, the entire song? I can do that. Do you want them in the description? And then I would say that in the title. Or do you want them as a pinned comment? So I would like to know everybody's answer to that, so I know how to proceed. I'm planning on a faith song as soon as I'm done with this, so whatever the Majority answer is that's what I will do for this one. So, that's basically all I have. Nothing new there. And nothing new there. Just, yep. And nothing new there. They got a lot of exposure on Sunday. So, that's it. Still trying to catch up on comments. But, I did promise I will. Still trying to catch up on Max videos from Labor Day weekend, too. So, I'm trying. Sunday's video took a lot longer to do than I expected. So, but hopefully I can get this one done, and then I'll have more Saturday free to do that. So, okay. See you in the comments. See you around. See you Sunday as usual. Bye.